Hey friends, when I'm not in my van running around, I do live in my little sticks and bricks townhouse here, and I do have a little yard. So on YouTube I follow a couple of gardening channels that I really enjoy. A Little Dirt Never Hurt and Home in the Sticks. So they're always showing me what they're out doing in their garden, so I wanted to show them what's going on in my garden.
Well, good Monday afternoon to you. It's Dan. Y'all know who it is. It's me. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks.
So yep, I've got some garlic coming right along. I really think it's about ready to pick, but I don't know. Got some herbs, some lavender and oregano and some basil, parsley, some rosemary. I've even got corn coming up, guys. I've got some marigolds going over there, and then I threw in some marigold seeds over here, but I don't know what this is. It's coming up. Maybe Dan will know. Yep, and I've just got a couple of rows of Sharons and some more basil over there. And a tree. Yep, this is my little hibiscus. And this hibiscus I thought I had killed this year, but it is coming back. So that's cool. Yep, I really do. I think that this garlic is ready to be pulled. I really do. I'm going to see. Just going to test it, Ryan. Yeah. Yeah, I really think this garlic, it looks like it's ready to come up. I'm just going to try it and see. Yeah, I think this one's ready. Oh man, what the hell is that?
This thing has got the strength of an overcooked carrot. Look at that. Oh, this is a no flicking zone, by the way.
I don't know how the hell that got in there.
All right, as well as this is a no carrot flicking zone, Lola, your garlic still isn't ready. Just saying.
It's alright, Ryan. I'll wait. I don't think my garlic's ready. I'll wait till July. But anyway, I just wanted to thank you, Ryan. Thanks for all the help with the gardening tips. Really appreciate it, man. Y'all stay lost, my friends. Go out and flick a carrot.
I can't stop to see them. I'd rather be out in my garden. Come on.
I still got this.